Hi everyone. In this video, we will get to know how to add multiple languages for closed captions. Thanks to that, viewers can toggle between languages based on their choice. To be more precise, I will work with a presentation about volcanoes that I have created here. Suppose that I wanted to add closed captions to that slide to help viewers easily follow its content. The first step is adding closed captions. To do that, you can click the Insert tab and select Closed Caption. Alternatively, I prefer clicking the Insert Caption button, which has the same function, in the timeline pane. After that, one CC note is inserted at the playhead position. On the canvas, this is a closed caption editor that allows you to type the caption. Furthermore, it's possible to add as many closed captions as you want, or import them from a caption file. Please refer to our video, Working with Closed Captions, for more details. After adding a closed caption, its start time and duration by default may be inappropriate. The first and easiest way to change them is dragging the CC node, or its ends, along the timeline ruler. Or you can also set values from the timing section in the Size and Properties tab. You should display each CC line for adequate time, so that your viewers can read it comfortably. Next, you will come to the second step, adding more languages to a closed caption. You can either click the arrow next to the closed caption button and select multiple languages. Or, in the Properties pane of the closed caption, click the icon. You will see the Edit Language dialog appears like this. In the language section, the default language of the closed captions is the project language. In my presentation, English is the default language. Now, I will add one more language, for example, the Russian language. To do that, you click the plus button here. Then, click the drop-down arrow, and choose the Russian language from the list. Click OK to apply. Click here if you want the new language to be the default language displaying in closed captions. Or click here to delete a language that you no longer need. Here, the Caption Editor section is a place to edit further language. Just select Show Original checkbox to simultaneously show both default language and a new language. This allows you to see exactly which CC line you are working with. Edit the new language by typing or pasting text here. In case you wanted to create a bilingual closed caption that combine the original language and the new one, the Insert Original button is here to help. Choose the position you want to insert. Then click this button. However, this CC line may be too long. In this case, you should break it into several lines, which helps viewers read it comfortably. Click Add Line Break or press the Enter key. A tag here is inserted to break the line at this position. After all, click Close to apply. To see multiple languages in the CC editor, simply go to the General section of the Properties pane. Click the drop-down arrow, and choose the language you want to preview. After that, you are also able to edit the text of the new language in the CC editor, as the same as the default language. Edit the text, or the fill style of the closed captions, using commands and options available in the Home tab, Format tab, or the Properties pane. So, by how viewers can switch to the language of their choice? It's so simple. ActivePresenter gives viewers control over showing or hiding CC, or toggling CC language, by enabling the CC button in the player. To enable the CC button, click the Export tab first, select Player Settings. The Player Settings window will pop up and show further settings. In the General tab, select the CC button checkbox in the Toolbar section. Once the CC button checkbox is selected, ActivePresenter automatically adds a CC button to the player, which allows viewers to toggle the closed caption as they wish. After that, don't forget to click OK to save change. So, hope it will help. Thanks for watching.